What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, I'm going to be installing these LASFIT LED light bulbs into my Grand Cherokee. So I cannot wait to see the level of brightness that these put off. Right now I just have some brighter halogen lights, and so I'm super pumped about having LEDs in there to increase visibility at night and so others can see me more easily as well. So I'll kind of film me putting it in installation. It takes a little bit on these Jeeps. It's kind of tricky. So I will also do a comparison of the halogen bulb brightness on this garage door and when the LEDs get installed. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so as you can see, the right is the LASFIT LED headlight, and then over here on the left is the halogen bulb. And so definitely a big difference in brightness. I'm gonna get this left one, driver's side, changed, and we'll see how bright they both are. Stay tuned. So with the driver's headlight, much more difficult to get to. So I have to take off this, unscrew this, pull it back, and then I can get more easily to the headlight. Now I can successfully get to this headlight bracket in here. Now there is the spot underneath the wheel well that you can shove your hand in and finagle the light, but it was really difficult to do on the driver's side. Passenger side, that's how I changed the light bulb out, but driver's side is a different story. So that's why I had to disassemble a few things in the engine compartment. It's been extracted. So this was the halogen bulb I had in there a few weeks ago, and up until now it was brighter. It was a brighter white, but these LEDs blow them away. So I'm still going to keep them though, because they're a little expensive. But yeah, so let's get the LED one installed. Whoa, Nelly. He is alive and well now. Look at that. Boom. All right, let's get it back in the headlight socket.
Boom. So there is both LASFIT LED headlights. Super bright. Such an upgrade from the halogens. I absolutely recommend these. So if you're in the market for some LED headlights, LASFIT is the way to go. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please click the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Crush it. Peace.